I'm joined today by David Hewitt, the Managing Director for Credit Suisse and the co-head of Global Oil and Gas Research. If OPEC manages to stabilize oil prices at $50 to $60 a barrel, how do you think that will affect investment prospects for the industry?
I think it's an improvement from where we've been, but it probably isn't quite enough to get us where we want to be, to give real confidence on a global basis that we bring CapEx back as quickly as some people would like to think. So it's a better outcome, but not quite enough, I would suggest. We need to move to 60 and maybe slightly north of 60 and get comfortable in that zone, and then we're probably off to the races.
Okay, and do you think it will encourage more mergers and acquisitions?
Mergers and acquisitions have been difficult through the cycle because the bid-ask spread that people talk about seems to be in place at different crude price ranges. So as we've moved to the bottom, maybe you would have thought the bid-ask would have closed, but no, and as we move gradually up. So I think you'll probably see a little bit more consolidation coming to the services sector through the latter part of 16 going into 17. Let's see what happens with the other parts of the business.
Okay, thank you. And how have the challenges facing the industry changed in the last year?
I think one of the difficult challenges that the industry is going to face and has faced before is that as we come through a down cycle, we tend to let people go very quickly and we break the relationship between developer and service entity. Then as we come out of the cycle, and it is a cycle, it's always a cycle, then some of the companies can actually be under-resourced because they cut too hard on the way down. So 12 months ago, to answer your question, it was all about cost saving. It is still all about cost saving.
Yep.
But at some point, that's got to invert, and we've got to think about having the ability to come back and grow through the next cycle.
Okay, and last question. What have your impressions been of the conference so far?
Well, all you've got to do is look at the invitation list, and it really is the who's who of global oil and money. So I'm very happy to be here, and it's a very, very impressive event.
Great, thank you.
All right, thanks very much.